How to download Facebook Lite on your Android device. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily download Facebook Lite on your Android phone. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get right into the video. The first thing you need to do is just go ahead and open up your Google Play Store. And here on your Play Store you can just go ahead and search for Facebook Lite like this. If you are not able to use Facebook, the main Facebook, because of storage regions, using Facebook Lite can be a great alternative because it is lightweight and it does not even occupy that much space on your storage. As you can see, it's only 2.6 MBs. So you can just go ahead and tap on install right here and wait for the installation to complete. Now, once the app is installing on your device, you can just simply log into your main account that you usually use on your Facebook and simply continue from there. And it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.